This is IndianaHost Say5 system for setting up a database to use with WordPress. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom and under where it says Databases, click My SQL Database. We're going to click Add Database, and we're going to give our database a name. And it says database, and this is the username for the account, and the database name I just gave it was created successfully. Now we're going to add a user to the database. In this case, we're going to add the word admin, and I'm going to give it a password. Click Add User. Now I'm going to go back to my SQL databases. Right now it's saying no access for the database name. We're going to add access rights. And we're going to give it full access, update access rights. And we can see access rights for the user is have been modified. So we have my SQL database with full user access for the user we just added. And we can see if we click on sample config, it gives us the information we need in order to log on. And that's all there is to it.